Hello students, welcome back to video lecture series on the subject concrete technology. I am Mohammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, assistant professor. So this is the video lecture number 10 on the chapter concrete mix design and testing of concrete. So this is the point that we have discussed in the previous lecture, which is ultrasonic pulse velocity method. So this ultrasonic pulse velocity method is used to find out the compressive strength of an concrete, and this is non-destructive test method. So students, can anyone tell me the procedure to find out the compressive strength by using the ultrasonic pulse velocity method, and how can you find out the quality of an concrete by using ultrasonic pulse velocity method? Can anyone? Okay. So let us move towards the another point. In this session we will try to cover the concept of concrete mix design. So, students, it is a very interesting topic, and you know the definition of concrete. Concrete is nothing but a composite material of cement, sand, aggregate, and water. Then you have to find out the correct proportion of these ingredients is nothing but mixed design. So, concrete mix design is a step-by-step design procedure to determine the percentage of various ingredients of concrete for achieving optimum conditions. What are those ingredients? You know, cement, sand, aggregate, and water. You have to find out those ingredients, the percentage of those ingredients in a proper way so that the concrete will achieve their compressive strength at the 28 days of curing. So students, can anyone define the concrete mix design? concrete mix डिजाइन क्या होता है? तो concrete mix डिजाइन क्या होता है? concrete mix डिजाइन इसका मतलब होता है आपको रेशियो के हिसाब से सीमेंट, सैंड, एग्रीगेट और वाटर फाइंड आउट करना है फॉर कंक्रीट तैयार करने के लिए. सो लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मिक्स डिजाइन. इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? व्हाट इज द पर्पस of this mix design? So first one, to achieve a specified compressive strength of specified grade. Means suppose you are considering if you want to design M20 grade of concrete, then you have to achieve 20 20 Newton per mm square compressive strength after the 28 days of curing. That is one of the objective. For ensuring required workability, you already studied about the workability, what do you mean by workability, and workability requirement for different exposure conditions depending upon their slump value and depending upon their compaction factor. We have learned that. So for different type of structure, it requires different workability. So accordingly, you have to mix design the concrete. For achieving durability is nothing but the tikaupana. So the concrete should be durable, and that durability is mainly depend upon the type of aggregate, means the amount of aggregate whatever you are using while preparing of concrete, that has to be taken. So next one, to economize the concrete product, as you know that the concrete is using after consumption of water. So you have to reduce the cost of that concrete. Next one, the increasing yield per bag of cement without compromising on strength. You can increase the cement content while designing without compromising on strength. This is one of the objective. You know the honeycombing and bleeding of concrete. You already learn about that. So you can avoid honeycombing and bleeding if you are properly mix design the concrete. You can apply various standards while mix designing and to produce the quality concrete as per requirement. So what are the different methods of mix design? What are the different methods of mix design? As we are learning here the mix design, the concept of mix design, so it is necessary to know the what are the different methods of mix design. Actually those different methods of mix design is based on the climatic conditions, and there are various methods that will change from country to country or region to region. Okay, what are those? Let us see. हम देखेंगे कि मिक्स डिजाइन के अलग अलग मेथड्स कौन कौन से मेथड्स ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी प्रोपोर्शन, मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी मेथड, फाइननेस मॉड्यूलस मेथड, सरफेस एरिया मेथड, एसीआई कमिटी मेथड, ग्रेडिंग कर्व मेथड और रोड नोट नंबर 4 मेथड, IC 44 मेथड, high strength concrete mix design and design based on flexural strength, Indian Standard Method, Department DOE Method, Department of Environment. So these are the various methods of mix design. In that, the method which is suitable for Indian conditions or for Indian climate are road note number 4 method and Indian standard methods. So that's why in India road note number 4 or Indian standard methods nowadays are used for mixed design of concrete. So in this session we will cover the standard method of mix design. So students, can anyone tell me what are the different methods of mix design? Can anyone? आप में से कोई बोल सकता है? Okay. So step 1, target mean strength. This is the step 1 procedure according to Indian standard method. First of all, you have to set a target mean strength, and which can be calculated by the formula Ft equal to Fck plus K into S, where Ft target mean compressive strength and 28 days, Fck here characteristic compressive strength of concrete at 28 days of curing. Suppose here Fck we are considering here 30. Okay, and the K usually taken as 1.65 as per IS 456 2000, and here S is the standard deviation which is taken here 5. So you may assume the standard deviation from the IS code IS 456 2000. Here you are seeing the various grades of concrete starts from M10 to M55 and standard deviations. So you have to use standard deviations from this table. You may select as from this table. स्टेप टू, सिलेक्शन ऑफ वाटर सीमेंट रेशो। सो आप लोग वाटर सीमेंट रेशो सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो बाय ये ग्राफ यूज कर सकते हैं। ये ग्राफ यूज करते हुए आप लोग वाटर सीमेंट रेशो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो। जैसे कि आप लोगों को यहाँ पर नजर आ रहा है, दिस विल shows the 20 days compressive strength, 20 days compressive strength, and on x-axis that will show the water cement ratio. So accordingly you can select the water cement ratio. So in this diagram you are seeing that the water cement ratio is 0.38. Here you are getting. You can also select the water cement ratio from the table number 5, which is also given in IS 456 by using these two procedures. So here you are seeing the different exposure conditions and minimum cement content, plain concrete, and water cement ratio. By using this table, you may also select water cement ratio, which is given in IS 456 2000. Step 3, selection of interrupt year. So this is done by referring to tables from IS 10269 1982 table number 3. From this table, you may select the amount or percentage of interrupt year. Next step, selection of fine to total aggregate ratio. So depending on the grade of concrete and availability of type of aggregate and required workability, fine to total aggregate ratio is determined by using standard tables, and those tables are given in IS 456 2000. You may select one of them as per your conditions. Calculation of cement content. This is the next step. So cement content is calculated and it is checked against durability requirement. If it is not found satisfactory, then the previous steps are prepared with different values. Means you have to select the another water cement ratio, you have to select fine to coarse aggregate another ratio, then after that you have to find out the cement content which fulfill the durability requirement. So in the next step, calculation of aggregate content. So aggregate content is determined by standard equations and total mass of fine aggregate, that is Fa, and coarse aggregate Ca are calculated. The equation which is used to calculate the aggregate content is this one. By using that you can easily calculate the total masses of fine aggregate, where V equal to absolute volume of fresh concrete, which is equal to gross volume. W is equal to mass of water in kg per cubic meter of concrete. C equal to mass of cement per cubic meter of concrete. S0 specific gravity of cement. Likewise, the notations as you are seeing here, you may calculate, and by using those you can easily find out the total mass of fine aggregate. So students, hope you understand that the mix design concept. So can anyone define what do you mean by mix design and what are, can anyone? Okay. So these are the some expected questions at the end of this session. First one, state objectives of concrete mix design, enlist various methods of mix design, and explain in brief IS method of concrete mix design. So I hope students you understand this concept concrete mix design in a very well. Anyone have doubt? No. Okay. So I think we have stopped here and this is sufficient for today's lecture.